Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Policy 707 and I'm coming at you with another video. Get excited. So guys, April 4th, Wednesday, was New Comic Book Day. And every fan and collector was at the LCS anticipating one particular book. I mean, I'm sure they were looking for other books as well, but there's one that stood out above all. And you guys know what I'm talking about. But before we even get there, let's talk about this one first. This is one of our pickups. My brother and I, we both teamed up once again to present to you our new comic book day haul. First one up, guys, is Amazing Spider-Man 794. Now, this is actually a third printing, which I actually think is probably one of the best covers for this issue. It has Harry Osborn with red Carnage symbiote. So this is actually the story arc that this issue starts it all right here. Of you know what, Red Goblin. So I actually particularly love this cover. So we pick this one up. And without further ado, guys, here it is. Bam! $7.98. Now, for those of you who own this book, you guys already know this is actually the confirmed first full appearance of Red Goblin. And now I noticed that the Roberto Ramos covers, they're actually connected covers. So when you collect them all together, they actually form a big picture. So I noticed with 797, it actually forms. Let me show you right now. So if you put 797, the Ramos cover next to 798, bam, see how it connects? Right there. So you can see like a red like cape. So you can only assume this is Red Goblin right here. Red Goblin will be right there. So anyway, guys, we picked up 798, the Humberto Ramos cover. Big fan of Ramos. I still need a commission from him, but hopefully he'll be at our local con within this year, so we can go ahead and pull the trigger on that. Not only did we pick up that one up, guys, we also picked up the Terry Dodson cover of 798. This plays homage to the last panel of Amazing Spider-Man 299 when Eddie Brock emerges as the Venom, and he sees and friends the hell out of Mary Jane. And you actually see it in the splash page of 300 that Mary Jane's like crying and scared in a corner because she's terrified by what she just saw, which is Venom. Now, guys, we also picked up a really cool variant of 798. It is the Young Guns variant by artist Javier Garon. I really dig this cover. I'm not really familiar with his work, but just by looking at this cover, I mean, I'm definitely digging his art. So I'm definitely going to look into more of his artwork, and hopefully he'll be at a future con so I can actually meet him and commission him for something. It's original art. Not only did we get one, guys, we also got two. Can't go wrong with a cool version cover. And why not? Let's just do three. What the heck? So also, guys, what came out for New Comic Day is Venomized #1. Here is the Scotty Young variant. I dig Scotty Young's work. Actually has more than one style. I mean, everyone knows him for like the baby variants, his like cartoony art, but he also has another style too. Not only did we pick up those books, but we also picked up the True Believers #1, Thanos the First, which actually is a reprint of Iron Man 55, which we all know is the first full appearance of Thanos. Or Thanos, however you pronounce his name. This guy right here. So, speaking of Thanos, aka Thanos, we also got 13. This is actually the second printing, right as you see here. Now, what's significant about this particular issue? It is the first full appearance of Cosmic Ghost Rider, which is a super hot character now. The first printing is actually on the rise. If you look on eBay auctions. They're definitely going for quite a bit. Now, speaking of Ghost Rider, guys, we also picked up the Johnny Blaze Ghost Rider #1. This is a new series. I really dig this cover. This is actually by Clayton Crane. I'm a huge fan of Clayton Crane. Love his art. I definitely need a commission from him in my collection. My collection is incomplete without original art piece from Clayton Crane. So now, guys, that was our haul for New Comic Book Day. It's a simple haul. I hope you dig it. But guys, we have something in store for you. Something very special we want to share. And we thought we'd share it in this haul video. We actually got a package in that both my brother and I have been expecting. And we're finally excited to share with you. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to go ahead and do a live unboxing. Because, you know, we all love live unboxings, right? So I'll be right with that. So I like that the package was well secured in a mailer. These mailers are always good. I never had any issues with damage of my books when they're actually shipped in this protective mailer. So here we go, guys. So when you see it, it's actually the first time I'm seeing it too. I always appreciate when sellers, they package items carefully, because as we all know, we're collectors and it's all about condition, right? So let me carefully get through the packaging here. And here you go, guys. This is how you do it. I mean, I'm loving it already. Kudos to this seller. So we bought this one. We were fortunate enough to win this auction on eBay. So see how he went ahead and stacked the books front covers towards each other? That's how you do it, because you want to distribute the weight evenly. See how there's a spine there? And the common mistake that people do in storing their books is they store it like this. And what happens over time, because there's actually a gap of space in your short or long boxes, it kind of goes like that. And over time you have a bunch of books pressing up against it, and it leaves like a crease. You know, I'm sure you've seen within your collection, especially if you've been storing them for years and you find to take a look at it, you'll see like a crease on some of your books. Well, the way to avoid that, guys, is simply stack your front covers facing towards each other so the weight is distributed evenly. So, okay, guys, enough about me yip yapping. Let's get to it. So, without further ado, guys, what do we have here for you? Wow. A lenticular cover. Marvel Superheroes Secret Wars #12. Wow, beautiful, beautiful lenticular cover. Look at that. Can you guys see it? Now, if there's glare, please forgive me. Look at this. Dr. Doom and then Thanos. Wow, this is amazing. Love it. And I'm looking carefully. Wow, this looks great. Looks solid, high grade book. Very pleased. Not only do we have one, we also have two. And not only do we have two, we also have three. Now, this pays homage to Secret Wars, but this is actually Thanos 12, the first appearance of Cosmic Ghost Rider. That's right. Now, I've actually seen the third printing. As we showed earlier, it was the second printing of Thanos with the hook. But the third printing actually has Cosmic Ghost Rider on the front cover, which I really dig. So we're still on the hunt for looking for that one. But there you guys have it. There's actually, so if you've probably seen the theme was first appearances, Red Goblin, first appearance of Cosmic Ghost Rider, and also Thanos. This guy right here. Well, this is Policy 707. I hope you dig this video. And if you did, hit that like button and help support the channel. Well, this is Policy 707 and signing off, and we'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.